Every good room makeover starts with the same thing: paint. We wanted to see if using a paint sprayer could speed up this crucial first step. Turns out, with the right preparation and good technique, using a sprayer indoors is nothing to be afraid of. In fact, it made our project go much faster. This was our spare room. After a few years of heavy use, it needed a fresh coat of paint. We started by protecting the hardwood floors with a drop cloth and covering all surfaces. For this project, we used Wagner's Flexio 590 handheld paint sprayer. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for homeowners. The Flexio 590 comes with two spray heads. The larger one, with the red tip, is for general use and provides wider coverage. The smaller one, with the blue tip, is more precise, for spraying details like cabinets or trim. The knob on top of the sprayer adjusts the blower speed. Choose a setting that applies to your application. The spray head attaches to the main body like this. Just insert and rotate until it clicks. The trigger also has an adjustment knob. This regulates the quantity of paint that will flow through the nozzle. The spray tip can be adjusted to produce different spray patterns. When the tip is vertical, the paint will come out in a horizontal pattern. Use this when moving the sprayer in an up and down motion. If you plan on moving the sprayer side to side, change the spray tip to a horizontal alignment. This will produce a vertical spray pattern. For a round spray pattern, place the tip at a diagonal. Start by filling the paint cup. I like to thin the paint with an additive like Wagner's Paint Easy Latex Paint Conditioner. Stir the paint thoroughly and screw on the nozzle. Insert the nozzle into the turbine and twist the nozzle toward the lock symbol on the turbine. Always keep a damp rag in your pocket when using the paint sprayer. You'll use it to wipe down the sprayer tip to keep it from getting clogged. Before you start, it's a good idea to get some practice on a piece of scrap material. This will give you a feel for how the tool performs. When you're ready to start, begin spraying in long, even, overlapping strokes. Keep the sprayer close to the wall, about 6 to 8 inches away. You'll need to keep it closer to the wall than you might think. Once you get the hang of it, you'll start covering a lot of ground very quickly. Make sure to keep wiping that spray tip off with a wet rag. The whole room took me about 20 minutes to spray once all the prep work was done. Check out how great it looks now. Thanks to Wagner for sponsoring this video, and if you liked watching this room transformation, make sure to subscribe to our channel.